Do you want to add a WhatsApp number to your Facebook page? You can add a WhatsApp button on your Facebook page with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add a WhatsApp number to your Facebook page. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Now, switch your personal Facebook profile to your business page. Tap the three-line menu or profile picture at the top right of the screen, then select the name of the Facebook page. Once you are in the Facebook page profile, tap on the three dots menu below your profile picture and cover image. A new screen appears. From here, tap on Edit. In the new screen, scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Edit your About info. Here, you will see different options. Tap on Add WhatsApp number under the Contact Info section. A new screen will appear where you can add your WhatsApp number. Select your country code and then enter your WhatsApp mobile number. Once added, tap on the Send Code to WhatsApp button. You will receive a 6-digit verification code on WhatsApp. Enter the code to verify and connect your WhatsApp number with your Facebook page. Once verified, your WhatsApp button will appear on the page, allowing visitors to message you directly.